Albuquerque, New Mexico, here we are, neighborhood superstar. Fuck a drink, I'ma buy the bar. Fuck the rehab, pass me the tar. What's the matter with some people? Don't like the bald-headed ego. Don't give a fuck what you think. Track you down with the prison ink. I'm that Albuquerque on the map. Zio in the sky, Mary Jane in the brain. Motherfucker, holla high. Down the ride for my hood, never misunderstood. Pack a 9mm, cause it ain't all good. Ain't got time to fuck around. Gotta represent my town. Now, but motherfucking crazy coming from the underground. Cause it's all about that brown pride, Chicano glide, and forever my side. Don't fight the feeling when I wanna get high, I get high. They got a nurse on standby in case I OD. Record companies tripping, got her chilling with me. Heroin run through the veins of my tattooed body. Rest in peace to all the gatos, IDIED. I like living like a villain, never giving a fuck before the show. 50 units need a full of syrup. Hey, little, I know ever heard of a heroin hard on. Throw your number on the stage, I'll call you later, it's on.